Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson 5. Listen and talk 2. Count on you, math. Okay, let's begin today's online class. First, try to think of the answer to these warm-up questions. I will read each one twice. How is the weather going to be this weekend? How is the weather going to be this weekend? What time is it going to be in 20 minutes? What time is it going to be in 20 minutes? What are you going to do after school today? What are you going to do after school today? Would you rather eat a spider or be stung by a bee? Would you rather eat a spider or be stung by a bee? Okay, let's review what we looked at in the last video. Counting questions. We looked at the word and phrase how many and how much. How old are you? How tall are you? In the game in the last video, I asked you to put the answer how many or how much. We can use how many for countable nouns, countable things, like apples, dollars. We use how much for uncountable nouns, uncountable things, like salt, money. Okay, to use. How many potatoes do you have? I have 5 potatoes. What about this one? Yes. How much milk do you have? I have a lot of milk. How tall are you? I'm 170 centimeters tall. How old are you? I'm 100 years old. Okay, Let's move on to the topic for today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn the phrase, I have no idea. This means I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Like this dog. Okay. How many buildings are there in Korea? I have no idea. What's the answer to this math problem? I have no idea. Let's take a look at some comparison words. This elephant is big. This elephant is bigger. And this elephant is the biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Which elephant is the smallest? That's right. The grey elephant is the smallest. Which elephant is the biggest? That's right. The pink elephant is the biggest. Okay, game time. Let's play a game together. I will explain the rules to you now. Rules. I will show you a picture for 20 seconds. Like this. Then I will ask questions about the picture. Do you remember? For example, how many people are there? If you know, there are 5 people. If you don't know, I have no idea. That's right, there was 5 people in this picture. You can get 10 points for a correct answer, or 5 points if you say, I have no idea. If you are wrong, you get no points. For example, if you said, there are 4 people, then 0 points. Okay, take a look at this picture. Questions. How many balloons does Pikachu have? How many clouds are there? How many white balloons are there? How much do you like Pikachu? Okay, let's check the answer. Pikachu has 7 balloons. There are 3 clouds. There is 1 white balloon. I have no idea how much I like Pikachu. Okay, let's try another one. Ready? Okay, answer these questions. How many animals are there? Which animal is the biggest? How many crayons are there? How many hearts are there? Okay, let's check the answers. There are 5 animals. The elephant is the biggest. There are 6 crayons. There is 1 heart. Okay, how many did you get correct? Let's try one more. Okay, answer these 4 questions. How many people are there? How many people are there in the back row? Who is the tallest person in the picture? How many people are wearing green shoes? Okay, let's check the answers. How many people are there? There are 11 people. How many people are there in the back row? There are 6 people. Number 18 is the tallest person in the picture. One person is wearing green shoes. Okay, let's try this one. Questions. How many people are wearing orange clothes? How many people are wearing glasses? How much hair does number 5 have? Who is the shortest person? Okay, let's check the answers. Two people are wearing orange clothes. One person is wearing glasses. I have no idea how much hair number 5 has. Or, number 5 has no hair. Number 2 is the shortest person. Okay. Ready? Questions. How many people are there? How many people are wearing shorts? How many men are there? Okay, let's check the answers. There are 8 people. Two people are wearing shorts. There are 3 men. Excellent. Well done, everybody. That's it for today's lesson. Until next time, bye-bye.